Scott here from Alcohol and Anime Night, and today we have the unboxing of the Evangelion SEGA Super Premium Asuka figure from the Rebuild series. Let's open her up right away. If you joined us for the previous review where I talked about the psychological breakdown of the previous Evangelion pilots, which you can see here, you might know that Asuka is one of my favorite characters, and this version of her from the Evangelion 3+1 rebuild is my favorite version of Asuka. I love the eye patch, I love the transformations. I don't want to ruin too much of the movie for you, but I really thought that was the best version of her yet. So, as we take a look at the figure, I wanted to tell you some incredible things about it. One thing is the detail on the bit of rubble on which her foot rests. If you look quite closely, there is a NERV logo. NERV, of course, being the organization that they work for at some point. And then you'll also see the detail of her eye patch and the detail of her costume. Multiple different painting colors on here. I am no expert on painting or sculpting. However, I really did think that for the price point, which is under $30 in most cases, I really think you're going to be impressed. Now, if you watched our previous unboxing video of another SEGA Super Premium figure, which was the REM Oktoberfest version, I was quite impressed there as well. Some of the details from which you couldn't even see just had incredible bits of painting on them. The detail here is excellent for the price point. There is a little assembly required. You will just have to plug the base into the bit of rubble and then plug the two pegs on her foot into the base, and then her other foot rests on the rubble, and it makes for quite a stable platform for display. It's not a posable figure, the neck doesn't move or anything like that, it's just a static figure, but the way the hair appears to be blowing in the wind, it really gives what is, of course, a static figure a really dynamic presence. So I really recommend this figure. I gotta be honest, it's really incredible. The only defect I could find is mine had a very slight paint defect here, and that really could just be from shipping. I don't even think it's a chip, but it is hardly noticeable whatsoever. And when you start to get into the details around the eyes and everything, there's even little bits of silver on the arm that is painted there. For this price point, I'm not sure you can do much better. And if you're a fan of Asuka and a fan of the Evangelion series, I definitely gotta say, pick this one up.